AI. But there are a whole lot of fears regarding AI and the impact on not only art, but humanity. There's a lot of debate around the ethics of this that I want to engage in earnestly with you. So here's my current opinion. I believe AI art is art because humans are using it and because it is referencing humans. It is built by humans, it is examining and referencing humans, and it is in the hands of humans to use. Just because people who aren't trained artists are using it, and because it's going through a robotic way of thinking and analyzing, does not mean that it has not got the potential to be art. And yes, just because the majority of uses of this will be people giggling and going on Valley to a Stable Diffusion and writing a hot dog wearing a mustache in a stadium, doesn't mean that people won't be creating really compelling, thought-provoking, or inspiring things. In fact, they already are. So I believe AI art is intertwined with the future of art as a whole. I feel why this is revolutionary and it's going to provide a lot of opportunities. There will be impacts that will hurt some people. People, for example, who work in the realm of stock photography and videography are going to lose work very quickly, or already have, because there are magic machines that people can type what they want into and get it for a much lower cost and much more specificity and uniqueness. So that's just one of the many areas that are already being affected. Our studio is already using AI. One of our staff members is using our ChatGPT to create codes to optimize the way we transfer footage from cards, and we're supplementing the way we write things or produce things or code things with AI. So it really is just the beginning. This is like the research stuff that's being released, and everyone's already talking about it and seeing the huge impact of it, and it is just the beginning. So we're about to see a massive overhaul, and I think it's really important that we talk about it, that we're really open-minded and earnest and honest, but I believe also it's really important that we're optimistic and that we work towards the good of humanity. And I think if there's any mistake that could be made that is devastating in this whole thing, it is that AI be considered other than or worked against when the can is open. The AI is here now, and it's only going to grow in its capacity, and it's more important than ever before that we all engage with that in a meaningful way. It is not constructive to say, AI art is theft, you're bad if you're using AI, AI is bad. That is not the constructive approach. The constructive approach is to engage in a meaningful debate where even when people disagree with you, they feel respected and heard, and everyone feels like they can problem solve this together, because there are problems, but they are solvable. And the irony is we could probably use AI to help solve some of these problems if we build it for our benefit. But I think it is meaningful and useful to use AI as an art-making machine, because art makes people think, makes people feel, and helps people talk about and engage about the human experience. AI can be used to help us navigate this next stage, and we can benefit from engaging in that with each other. So I really want to hear your opinions in the comments down below. I know my opinions are very overdramatic, and I want to temper them and be really reasonable in how I approach a future piece of content where I try and put it all in one place and package it in a way that everyone feels that they have a voice, and we can honestly and earnestly look at artificial intelligence, its impact on art, and how to navigate that moving forward. I want to thank you for watching this video. I want to thank my brother